everybody back to my channel. My name is Bilkis. Today's class will be looking at algebraic simplification. Don't forget, we've been on this algebra for like 3 lessons back to back now. So today this is what we are going to be doing. We'll be simplifying algebra to see how we can add them and how we can even simplify them when we have about 2 operators, when we have addition and subtraction operator at the same operation at the same time. All right, now before I proceed to this video, I will implore you, if you are new here, to please hit the subscription button and the bell button. And if you are not, if you are returning viewers, I say a very big thank you to all of you. And please do not forget to share this video with as many loved ones as possible. And please give us a thumbs up so that we can push this, we can beat the YouTube algorithm. All right, now let's delve into the video properly. Now the first question is, let's look at this analysis before you can solve the questions. 3b plus 2b means what? It means 2b's and 3b's. And this gives us 5b's altogether when we sum them, when we add them. Thus, 3b plus 2b equals to what? 5b. Now, this is so achievable, this is so possible because of the fact that 3b and 2b that we are adding, they have the same term. And what is the same term that they have? They have the same term b. That is, they are the same thing. It's just as though saying we have 3 bags plus 2 bags. We give you what? 5 bags. Do you understand? As opposed to when you have 3a here or 2b here, you can't add those ones together. But the fact that they are the same term, they are the same things, it will be easy for us to just what? Go ahead and just add them together. Does that make sense? All right. So, otherwise, if they are not the same term, like I have 3b plus 2x, it will remain the same and cannot give us 5bx. All right. So, because they have the same term, it's easy for us to just add. Do you understand? Now in this case, they don't have the same term. I have 3 bags here and I have like 2 xylophones here. You cannot possibly add the 2 together. Why? Because they don't have the same term. That means they're going to remain the same. It's just be what? 3b plus 2x. We cannot add them together. Do you understand? All right, now based on that, we are going to simplify the following. Now let's look at it one by one. Now do not assume that 3b plus 2x is going to give you 3bx. It's not possible for you to add this together because they have different what? Terms or base. Is that clear? Now let's take it one by one to see if this example. I have 5g plus 9g. Now the fact that they are the same term, they have the same term. Just like saying 5g and then 9g, they are the same thing, so it's easy for us to just compute and just add ahead. So 5 plus 9 is just basically going to give us 14g. Now let's look at this second one, 13h plus h. This single h simply means the fact that there's no number, no coefficient attached to it, means that it is what? 1. It is assumed or believed to be what? 1. Hence, if I'm going to add it together, I need to ask myself first, are they the same term? Yes, they are the same term because it is hh. Hence, I can add them together. So I have 13 here. This one, I told you that it is assumed to be what? 1. The coefficient is 1. So it will now be 13 plus 1, and that gives us what? 14h. Now the third question is this. I have 4u plus u plus 6u minus 5u. Now in this case, I'm going to employ the use of what? BODMAS. Why am I going to use BODMAS? Because I have both addition and subtraction operation inside one question. So that means I cannot just go ahead and just start doing my calculation just like that. Now don't forget the rules of BODMAS that goes this way. You have to follow each of these operators for in every question that you have to see the one. This one will take precedence over this one. So you check. We don't have brackets in this question. We don't have off. We don't have division. We don't have multiplication. But I have addition and subtraction right inside one question. Meaning that if I have that, I'm going to do the addition first. After which I'll now do the what? The subtraction. Now based on that understanding, I'm going to do addition first. And if you look at it very well, you can see that it's been arranged in such a way that you do not need to rearrange in any way. Is that clear? Alright, now let's go ahead. I have 4u plus u. This u here means what? 1. Is that clear? So I have 4u plus u plus 6u. So 4 plus 1 is what? 5. 5 plus 6 is what? 11. So I have 11 what? U minus what? 5u. So basically, because they have the same term, u, I'll just say 11 minus what? 5. And that will give me what? 6. And that will be what? 6u. Does that make sense? Alright. Now let's look at these other examples too. Here I have 9v plus 2v plus 3v minus 8v. So I don't need to rearrange, because in the sense that it's been in the right order of addition and then followed by subtraction for me. And even this subtraction were to be here, I would have rearranged it in such a way that I'll have all the addition in one side and then I'll have subtraction in another side. Is that clear? Alright, so I have 9v plus 2v plus 3v. So if I have 9 here to be 9 plus 2, that will be what? 11. 11 plus 3 is what? 14. So I have 14 minus 8. That gives me what? So 14 minus 8v will give me what? 6v. Is that clear? Now let's look at this last one here. I have 6w plus 4w minus 3w minus 2w. So I'm going to use the same methodology I adopted here, following the board mass. Is that clear? So in this case, I'm going to have 6w plus 4w, that is 10. So because I have 6 plus 4 here, so I'll have 10w minus, what do I have next? I have 3w here minus 2 what? W. So in this case, it's going to be what? 10 minus 3, that's 7. 7 minus 2, that will be what? 5w. Is that clear? Thank you so much, everybody, for watching today's video. The next class promises to be more enlightening, and I'll see you in the next class.